In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable Google Voice Search. Let's get started. First, you'll need to update the app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for Google. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. After completion of its update process, launch it. Now here you're gonna find this little mic icon. Just tap on it and speak whatever you want to search and Google will instantly show you the results. Google app allows you to search using your voice simply by tapping the mic and speaking your query. If it is not working, what you want to do is click on your profile icon. Now navigate to the option settings, then head over to the option voice. From here, you will need to toggle on for these options. Likewise, you are able to add a language if you want to do so. Click on language option and add it. So that's it. This way you can easily enable voice search in Google. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.